guys, how are you today? So now we're back in our L2 Plus TV and we are going to prepare a special dish that everyone likes. This is grilled chicken and sided with stir-fried string beans using oyster sauce and Knorr seasoning. Wow! Knorr liquid seasoning with, of course, our favorite ingredient, lemon. This is a magnolia chicken. So, umpisa na natin. Ilagay na natin ang ating mga ingredients. This is a combination of soy sauce and soy seasoning, nor soy seasoning. 3 tablespoons. Adjust mo lang kung kulang, kung depende sa flavor mo. Ito 1/4 cup ram oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons white vinegar. Pasensya na kayo sa aking tasa, medyo may basag ang gilid, ang ingredient lang. 1 tablespoon chili dip, mabango para sa yung marinade. Of course, ang ating lemon. Masyadong na-squeeze. Squeeze natin na mabuti. Ayan. 1 regular lemon. And then, i-mix natin. Pwede mong kamayin kung gusto mo. Ako, ayaw ko munang magkamay. Kasi nagkakamay ako kanina sa pagluluto ko ng iba pa. Lagyan natin ng konting asin lang. Bango ng lemon at saka ng mga yung ibang ingredients like yung aking ito. Bango talaga nito. Ito guys. Chili dip or chili sauce. Sobrang bango talaga. Nag-combine siya dun sa lemon at saka sa garlic salt. Garlic salt, guys, is just a combination of iodized salt and garlic powder. Pwede mong gawin yun sa sarili mong kusina. So, ito, ilalagay na natin ito sa ref. So, guys, join me as we start grilling. This chicken has been... Guys, look at the advantage of grilling in the pan. Kasi yung juice niya hindi tumutulo doon sa labas. So, nagiging ano siya, liquid siya para maluto talaga totally yung ating karne, yung ating chicken. So, tama-tama pag natuyo na siya, we let our chicken cook. Wala na yung tubig niya, wala na yung juice niya. Itong brown na. So guys, this is the chicken leg that we deboned. Yan. Ito yung mga breast. Ito yung thigh. Yung dinibone natin. Ililipat natin sa mas malapad na pan, guys. Sobrang init ng pan. Pero, binalik ko sa low ang heat. So, nainit ko lang. Para ma-achieve natin yung ating desired na pagka-grill. So in my other pan, cooking the freshly marinade, and in this pan, yung malapit na maluto. This is done. Hindi naman pagka-ihaw niya. Down. So guys, yan yung advantage ng hot plate. Kasi sigurado ka talaga na hindi hilaw yung kinakain mo dahil lutong-luto talaga yung iyong grilled. Kasi like kagaya niyan, kumukulo muna siya sa kanyang sauce to make sure na maluto talaga siya. We do not want to compromise our family sa hilaw na meat. Ayan. Later, ililipat natin dito sa flat na surface ng ating hot plate. Ganda. Ayan, ganda. So beautiful. So later, pag ano na yung meat, half cook, ililipat natin dito sa flat surface ng ating hot plate, and then dito natin iluluto yung ating side dish na string beans or sitaw. Okay. Naluluto talaga siya and na-absorb niya muna yung marinade. So pag sa uli natin ito iluto guys, magtulo lang lahat ng juice niya. So hindi natin ma-maximize yung kanyang taste. Kaya yan yung advantage ng grilling in your hot plate or in your pan. So guys, after we have done grilling, we will now prepare for our string beans stir-fried for our side dish with this grilled chicken.
Alright.
Now, this is the string beans that we are going to use for our stir-fried string beans. We are going to use the marinade of our grilled chicken for our sauce in this stir-fried string beans so that it can relate to the taste of our grilled chicken. So all in na the green onions and the tomatoes. This is a fresh-fried string beans for our side dish. Ating inihaw na. And there you go guys, our grilled chicken sided with our stir-fried string beans. I hope you like our recipe today. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and also please share and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever we have new uploads. Bye bye guys, stay safe, God bless you, the Lord loves you.